Everyone, this is Sujit here, and today I'll be talking about date formatter in Swift. So let's begin. First of all, we need to import a UI kit, and then after I'll be creating an object. Let's say it is RFC 3339 standard date formatter. So let's name it like that. So it should be the date formatter class over here. This is the object we need, and then after we need to set the locale of this variable dot locale. So locale would be so let's have the class, and within the class we need to give the identifier, the string. Normally we use us POSIX, so that would stand for the US English. In most of the cases the best locale to choose would be this string, because that is specifically designed to give the US English result regardless of both user and system preferences. So let's have it, and then after that we need to set the date format, rfc dot date format. So how do you want to do it? Let's begin. So let's give the initial 4 digit as the year, then after let's give 2 digits for month, and then hyphen, and then after we give 2 digit for the day part, then after that let's allocate for the time part. HS would be for hour part, would be for minutes, and SS would be for second. And after that we are going to put 5 C's for the offset part. There are 4 altogether now. Okay, so this is the offset of the date part. And then after, what we want to do is we want to set the time zone, and the time zone would be something like this. The class would be like this, and then after that we can just signify the seconds from the GMT. So if we put 0, then it should be UTC, universal time constant format, right? So UTC time format, right? Then after that what we need to do is we use the same variable, we need to use this but later. So let's define a string, and it would consist of a date. Suppose the date would be 1996 December 19, and the time would be 16:39 and 57 seconds. And in the same way the offset would be -800. So whenever you give the this as the offset, then it would signify the PST, Pacific Standard Time format. So what is the type of this date? Let's put a comment over here. This is nothing but 39 minute and 57 seconds after the 16th hours of December 19th 1996, with an offset of -8 sorry, let's put completely from UTC. That would be altogether Pacific Standard Time. So this comment signifies the date we have put over here, and then after let's define a date, and let's convert this string into the predefined date format. We have defined the date format, and we are going to convert this string into the given date, like using that given date format, right? So let's use the formatter, and then after we just give the date, and within the string we just put the string, and then we will be printing the date, right? That there is nothing like complicated over here. So let's run it. Okay, as you can see, this is the date we have received. Like the month would be December, and the day part is 20th, and the year is 1996. As we can see that it is 39th minutes of and 57 seconds, and why we are seeing this is that it has converted the given string into UTC. So as we can see that the 19th is already converted into UTC format, right? So it is what it is doing is it is taking this offset, and it is like converting the offset and the hour part together. So it is converting everything into UTC. So that is the date we have got by using that, right? So as we can see over here, it is still the date is like according to US POSIX, the date is still December 19, 1996, 7:39 p.m. However, the date that we have received after using the format would be the UTC formatted date, and this is it. So that's all about this date formatter, and I'll be putting this file in the GitHub and putting the link of the GitHub into the description box below, so that you can download and quickly play it around and to get familiar with. So that's all, and have a great day. Thank you.